Kynnoh synrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance lani ki MDA hynnin kasi palei jaka apun retrik naiwieng arja arpo kalarai banum kynthoh kulmar shabar habadan kino ki jingkynnoh pyrshah ya sorkar. Kala niew ba jingkynnoh barathat madan ki Nongkitkam ka BJP pyrshah ya sorkar MDA kidei ki Khlem Nongrim. Kynnoh MDA ka baderu Kynnoh jang bon tali ki seng sain perthai kala shim ya karai ka jalang jaka coordination committee ka belong ha pinewood hynnin ka sngi. Hakani ka jalang ki Nongkitkam ka BJP Meghalaya kynthoh president uba Ernest Mauri ki Khlem pyrshah ka jalang hindre ki pyrshah ka jalang ki deitang ki MLA ka BJP ka tau ba ALHek baru ba sanbor shulai. Haba credit club pathai khubor hadim lawai ka jalang u conduct ke sangma menteri rang ba ka jala u baderu chairman jaka MDA ulong ba ka MDA baroh kawei ka dap ka jingsko khia ha ka beidei ba ki jingkynnoh na ki kattu ka ningot ki brio ki batha di ki MDA bar ha ka beidei ba ka ni la shimye ka rai ba ki record ki bidan hapo ki MDA kimde ban kynthoh kulmar shabar hede ka bidan kam e ka long ban yakran ni kino ki mat hapo ki MDA kamtam hapo ka coordination committee jong ka MDA.
It's very clear that that the allegations that are being brought out are just simply talks that few individuals have been doing. Now, just to clarify things, it is this government that has put in an audit inquiry into the GHADC and the GHADC for the last 10 years. We're looking into the entire aspect. So when they say that no action has been taken, we have met the Chief Minister, and nothing has been done. It's a complete lie, because we have instituted an inquiry. We have also ensured that to ensure that the entire process and working of the council would improve, that administrator where a very highest senior officer has been appointed out there, and that has ensured that now the reformations that are needed are going to be moved in a much faster pace. We have had a very good meeting today. I had a very good meeting with the Vice President of the BJP, Dr. Au, who had come here to Shillong, and I'm very thankful to him for coming here and discussing this matter with me. We had a very good discussion in my residence, where he has assured that we will work together, and I told him that all these allegations and statements being made, there's not a problem for me. I'm not bothered about it, and I'm not taking it personally at all. And what is important for me too is to ensure that we all think in a positive manner and work together. So we had a very positive discussion, and he has assured me that he will ensure that the BJP and the other coalition partners, and I assured him that the other coalition partners, we will all work together to take the MDA and the state forward. Well, I have maintained from day one that for me it is the commitment that I have made to my coalition partners, and the commitment that I made to the coalition partners was that we will be giving ministerial berths in terms of the ratio of the MLAs, and I stuck to that, and I will stick to that, my commitment that I've made. The prerogative of the change in the minister is something that we leave to the political parties. But there were certain cases in certain political parties where those adjustments and those agreements that were there between the MLAs was brought to my notice right at the beginning of the term. Therefore, as the chairman of the MDA and as the chief minister, it is my duty to ensure that that understanding which was made known to me in the beginning of the term by certain political parties is implemented, which is what I did. If there was understanding within political parties which they had but was not brought to my notice, it would be wrong for me to simply force it through. And that decision, so there's a second category of the agreement which was not brought to my notice, will be decided within the political party that is there. So that's how it is, and that's how I worked on it. First, take it up with the government and in the coordination committee meeting. And only if situation is not resolved, then we can take further steps. But the first step would be to discuss within the coordination and within the government. But I'm happy that all the coalition partners have once again reiterated their confidence in the MDA, and they have once again confirmed their commitment to support this government and to continue working till the end of the term, and to ensure that all the different agendas that we have decided to take forward should be completed, and they've urged that the government should continue to do the development work that has been promised to the people of the state.